The weekly code quiz. How do we use a font stack? Previously, we stated that you want to use a list of fonts for the font family property because it gives the browser other options if the chosen font is unavailable. This is called a font stack. The font options are separated by commas. Is the order of the font stack important? The browser will go from left to right and see if each is available and choose the first font available to display. So the order is important in your list. Why do we add one of the 5 categories at the end of our font stack statement? Usually it is best to add one of the 5 categories recognized by the browser at the end of the statement: serif, sans serif, monospace, cursive, and fantasy. This allows the browser to choose an available font on the system that is similar to what you desire. Paragraph text, font family, Georgia, Times New Roman, in quotation marks, serif. In this example, paragraph text will be displayed in Georgia. If that is unavailable, the text will display in Times New Roman. And finally, if that is not available, it will choose any serif font on the system. Why are some fonts placed in quotes? We should make note that the reason the font Times New Roman appears in quotes is because any font name with more than one word needs to be written out within quotes. Here is another example. Paragraph text, font family, Arial, Helvetica, Verdana, Trebuchet MS, in quotation marks, sans serif. Presented by Designers Learn Code.